Are you struggling to build apps quickly with deep coding knowledge? What if I told you there's a platform that let you create fully functional application in days, not months? Welcome to OutSystem. Hi everyone, I'm Ron and today we are diving into OutSystems, a powerful low-code platform designed to help developers and non-developers alike build robust application with minimal coding. Whether you are new to OutSystem or just looking to optimize your workflow, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. For instance, imagine you are tasked with building a mobile app for employee onboarding. Without a low-code platform like OutSystem, you would have to rely on skilled developers, spend months on development, and face delays due to bugs. OutSystem simplifies all of that and help you deliver faster results. So as we know, OutSystem is a low-code platform that empowers users to design, develop, and deploy enterprise grade application quickly and efficiently from just drag and drop interface to AI powered assistants. So first of all, we just need to go and click on start free on the top right side corner, right? You can explore the platform just coming to this website, which is called outsystem.com. Here you can read out these features and everything here, right? Now there's a lot of things. You can just go here. Now on the top right side corner there's option of start free. Now just go and click on it, right? And here first of all you have to add your first name and last name, right? So let me just enter my last name here. Click on OK. Are you trying out system for your organization? You can say here no, yes, whatever it is. Now your email address. Now here you have to set a strong password, right? Now once you do this, just go and click on press enter or OK. Yes, obviously I'm not a robot. Click on next. Click on agree and start free. Now you will receive an email. Just go and click on activate my account, right? And here within just few seconds your email will get confirmed. Now here we are just going to cover so many things here. First of all, we are going to talk about setting up your environment and navigating the interface, building your first app using visual tools and templates, adding logic integration and customization to meet your needs, deploying and testing your app in real time, right? So let's enter our password here, which we just got created. Click on stay logged in. Now, once you're here, once you sign in, this is the exact platform which you will look like, right? You have to just go and click on start free access here. Now, want to know before joining a shared space, right? Sure. Okay. Now click on let's get started. Now click on open ODC portal. Again, you have to log in into this. Oh, the login process is so long. So here you will receive this link on your email. You have to just go and click on get started, and we have to copy this code and we have to enter the code here. So this is a verification code. So we have to create, okay, again we have to fill up the same information. Okay, fine, let's do this, and then just go and click on create account. All right, so right now we are able to access OutSystem here, right? And there's a lot of application which you can see here, right? So let's get started here. So once your environment is ready, it's time to start building your app using OutSystem drag and drop tool. Now on the left side, you will see here, this is app, this is a workflow overview, and this is so many options here, right? We will go one by one here. So let's go and click on create apps. Let's just go to the apps section right now. And you can see here, it takes some seconds of time to load, right? I don't know. If you face the same issue, let me know in the comment box here. Now you can see here there's so many things, so let's just go and click on create on the top right side corner. So here you will get this option with mentor in ODC Studio. So with mentor, it means you can use AI here, right? So let's go and use for the mentor in this instance. Okay, so it will ask welcome to mentor app generator. Here you can see we have to mentor will take and analyze the requirements to create a data model, simple logic workflow, roles and their permission and screen. Right, okay, so we just need to get started here. So create an app to manage support tickets submitted by employees. So let's just go and click on create. So this is a prompt which I gave, just like a normal AI tools, whatever you use, right? and within just few seconds something will show up on your screen. It's taking time here. Okay, so it will create the data is ticket, employee, sample, department, comment, user. So you can just create more options here. These are the roles, so you can just go and create more roles. And now let's click on generate. Now you have to wait patiently till it get 100% here. Now this is, it created a workflow for us, and obviously you can see here this is really interesting to see because it's completely systematic. So the screens make up your app. Changes to the data model or roles will affect the screen related to those object. Okay, now let's go and click on here. Let's say I just wanted to access the dashboard here. Sometimes it's take a little bit of time to load, but it's fine. Maybe it could be just in my browser. This is overview panel. Here you can add, remove or edit data. Okay, so here we can do this, and once everything is done we can just go and publish the changes. Right now this is a dashboard section. This is a, for every section they have created a separate workflow, so I can just get it right. So for example, dashboard is connected to the tickets, sample departments, comments, employees, users, and the import data, and user is connected to this user, and something like that. So we'll just go and check one by one here. Let's just go click on the three dots and just go and click on open. Now this is how it's look. So for example, this look really nice. This is support ticket management one. Hello, ticket by status. The ticket are here, obviously the title of the tickets, right? And the employee name, right? The status, whether it's open, low, the priority, low, high. Now, once you're satisfied with it, you can just go and explore the other parts too. For example, I want to go and view the ticket option, right? I want to check whether how it's look, right? There's a low, median, everything. And if you're satisfied with it, you can just go check each and everything from here. And on the top right side corner, there's a publish option. So you can just publish it directly. So it's pretty crazy because within just few seconds, right, I just gave a prompt, just like other AI tools, right? It made me a complete website. And I want to check the logic and integration are where OutSystem truly shines. That's the very popular feature of OutShines here, allowing you to add advanced functionalities to your app. Now let's click on preview. Now let's see how it's the system works here. Now here obviously there's a login page, so I want to log in as a Matthew because obviously I need to have an email and password. Now this is the exact dashboard, right? And I open it as an admin. So this is my managed data. For example, I want to just go and check the tickets, right? So I can just go to the ticket section here and I can check it how this works. So for example, this is a network issue. Let's open it. And let's see whether it has the complete information or not. It has. Let me add a comment here. So comment test one. Right, network issues. I can just select the employee, for example this, and date is this. Now just go and click on save. Okay, so here you can see the comment has been added, but by mistakenly I clicked twice while adding the comment in this section save, so that's why I don't know it got saved twice, right? For example, let me show you. This is a comment test 3, network issue, employee, and that is Donna. Let me select the date here, and I will just click here thrice and let's see whether that it does the replication or not. Oh, it does it. So here we can just go and change the, we can obviously we can just go and check the codes and everything here, right? So for example, there's an option in the tickets. So let's open the tickets, and once I open the ticket here, which is this section, now let's go and click on open. So I can come here and I can check this option, right? I can just go and close tickets and everything, but I want to check, I want to code myself. Let's say I'm a developer and I want to code it, but I guess there's a no option to code here. And from where I can set the logics and everything. So here I don't have any such options. So let's get back here. Let me just strike it from here. No, there's a no such system here. Preview, nothing. So I don't know, I'm not able to find that option. Let's say even though if I just open it from here and the issue was in the title. Okay, so there's nothing. I just go and create a something new, or I have to give a new prompt to create completely new. So this is good, but there's some very small bugs which I just found out right now in just front of you guys. And now let's get back here. Now this is a ODC Studio. So if I just go and click on ODC Studio here, we have to download the ODC Studio, right, just to access it up. Now here you can see these are some of these examples. For example, let's say there's an employee directory. I just want to go and open this application, and let's click on view app. Now this is the part. So for example, I can just go and change the, okay, I here open the application. So here I have one option which is called add employee. So let's have just go and add employee. And the system works too slow. I don't know, it is working on the completely on a cloud-based system. That could be one of the reason. And obviously it's not using my, my storage. Maybe that's why it's getting slow here, but it's too slow, and I'm just trying to open it up, nothing get open. So I'm not sure whether this is opening or not. So this could be a problem in my system or in your case too. But I can just go and click on open, right? And here in app editor, because I try to open the application directly here, but in this case it should open. Okay, so it's opening. And from here you can just go and check and open these sections, right? For example, here every section is available. Now you can just open. Now once your app is built, it's time to deploy and test it in real time. So we just created some of this application. We can preview and we can deploy this. Now you can test the application, which we already did. Now use our system built-in testing tools to identify and fix issues before deployment. So here you can just go to the workflow here, and you will find one of the workflows which you just created, right? And you will find it here, and you can change each and everything. You can use themes and CSS to customize the look and feel of your app for branding purpose, right? Invite team member to collaborate on your project using OutSystem, shared deployment or development environment. So OutSystem is highly scalable. So for example, this is one of the workflow which we just created, right? You're building a strong internal tool or large enterprise app. The platform can grow with the needs. So if you encounter any issues, they can obviously help with it, right? So that is really interesting. Now this is it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.